Hey everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Yolanda Maria if this is your first time here. So today's video, I'm just going to go ahead and jump right in because I have been wanting to do an update on my Sezzle experience, the buy now pay later service. So if you are interested in hearing more about my experience that I've had over the last couple of years of using Sezzle, keep on watching. Okay, so the previous video I did talking about Sezzle is when I first got approved for my Sezzle merchant account. So I wanted to go ahead and give you guys an update. It's going on almost 2 years that I have been using Sezzle, and I wanted to go ahead and let you guys know what my experience has been because I have gotten a lot of questions on that video. So if you did not see the original video, I'm going to leave that up in the cards. It was my pros and cons. Now today I am using other buy now pay later options, but at the time I was only using Sezzle then. So let's go ahead and talk about my experience. So I do have some notes right here. I didn't want to leave anything out, so if I'm reading or you see me looking down, that is what I'm looking at. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with the what has changed with Sezzle since I did that video. So Sezzle has made some changes. I mentioned in that video that because I have a hair extensions business, I am paying a higher, I'm kind of being penalized because hair extensions is high risk. If you got with Sezzle and you are a hair company and you got with Sezzle early, so before all the scammers, before people were not paying Sezzle back, before that it was considered to be high risk, if you got on with Sezzle early, you probably have a processing fee of like 6% or 7%. By the time I got on with Sezzle, Sezzle had already had so many bad experiences with hair extensions, scammers, that they raised the processing fee up to 10%. So unfortunately, I had to go ahead and take the 10%. So I have a processing fee of, again, 10% plus 30 cents. So now what Sezzle has done, if you are someone who has multiple options, payment options with the buy now pay later, as well as just paying straight through without doing a payment plan, Sezzle has now made it for the merchant, the company owners, to pay a monthly service fee. They are calling this fee a monthly account management fee. So it is $15 a month if you do not meet the monthly sales volume of $300 every 30 days. So again, it has now become a bill. Sezzle has became a monthly bill now. So if you do not reach the monthly sales goal of $300 a month, so now that I offer other other payment options where you can do buy now pay later like Klarna or even PayPal, if my customer selects Klarna, all of my customers for that month, if they're doing the buy now pay later and they select Klarna or PayPal and do not pick Sezzle, I am penalized. So that's what has changed now. So not only do I pay 10% as a processing fee, it's now become a bill. So as far as Sezzle goes, I am really thinking about doing away with Sezzle. Every now and then I will have a customer use Sezzle, but for those months that no one uses Sezzle and they pick another option, I am penalized for that. So Sezzle to me has now became a bill if you do not meet their required volume, which is $300 a month. Now, you basically have to, if I just have one sale with a wig order, all of my wigs except for my bob wigs are, you know, over $300. So I usually would hit that number, but for those months that I miss it, so if you're a business owner and you do not have high ticket items or high value items and you maybe only sell something that's $25 or $50, you have to sell so many to reach $300. So this is definitely a con now with Sezzle. So yeah, that is an update that I wanted to definitely share with you guys. So again, the two additional ones that I use is Klarna and PayPal. PayPal, there are no monthly fees. Klarna, there are no monthly fees. So I'm not sure why people are selecting Klarna, as far as customers are selecting Klarna over Sezzle. I don't know the front end and what you guys see and what the difference is between the two, but I have a lot more people selecting Klarna than Sezzle. So also, as the business owner with Sezzle, Sezzle takes about 4 days to process your money. So that means that you have to have money on hand to purchase your customers' items. Go ahead and purchase them from your supplier or take them from your inventory, and it takes about 4 days. So make sure with your turnaround time that you include those 4 processing days in to make sure you get paid from Sezzle. Now with Klarna, that's one thing about with Klarna though, Klarna does take a little bit longer. Klarna has certain payout days that they pay you. So you kind of have to have the money, and you're taking the risk of having the money on hand and purchasing or sending out your merchandise to the customer and, you know, wait on the Klarna payment. I have not had any problems with Klarna not paying me. It just takes a little bit longer. So sometimes it could be 7 days, sometimes it could be 11 days. But yes, it does take a little bit longer, but I am seeing that more people are selecting Klarna as their buy now, pay later option. I would like for you guys, if you are a business owner, please comment down below. Let me know what other payment options are out there. I don't know if Affirm or Quad Pay or Afterpay, I was seeing these things, but I don't know if they're still in business. So if you are a business owner and you are using another buy now, pay later, please leave that down. Let's have a discussion, because even if you're a customer, I want to know from customers as well, what platform do you feel is easier to use? Because I'm really thinking about and considering getting rid of Sezzle, and I want to add another one in there. So in my summary, so I have an overall summary here, and I have here, buy now, pay later is a great option to offer customers. So if you are a business owner, make sure that you are offering some sort of buy now, pay later service, because there are a lot of people that want to go ahead and be a customer, and sometimes financially it is not feasible for them to purchase right then and there. So you have options to give them where they can make payments over time, and there's 4 interest-free payments with this. You do attract more customer, therefore you attract more business and more sales. And again, for the hair industry, just be mindful. As far as the hair industry, Sezzle, I feel, is penalizing us. We are not getting those penalties with Sezzle, with PayPal, and we are not getting those penalties with Klarna. Sezzle right now to me is the highest one, but again, I'm not familiar with the other buy now, pay laters. So drop it down below. Let me know what other buy now, pay later services are out there that you like as a business owner and as a consumer. I want to know so that I can replace Sezzle. So I hope this information has helped a business owner consider or reconsider using Sezzle now that they are charging a monthly account management fee. That's what they're again calling it, a management fee, but you're managing the account regardless, even if you hit the $300 sales. So I don't know why they're calling it that, but I hear that's here nor there. You are charged, so it has become a bill. You are charged $15 every month. You do not reach the $300 threshold. So again, make sure you go ahead, leave what payment options you think are really good, what options I should add to my website, and yeah, let's have a discussion. I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys are on my Instagram, which is Yummy Candy Collection. I will leave the link down below, as well as our Facebook is Yummy Candy Collection. And please go ahead and give me a thumbs up if this video helped you in any way, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.